14th one. If the points 1, 1P and minus 3, 0, 1 be equidistant from the plane, find P. Given that two points are equidistant from a plane, we have to find the value of P. So we have to find the distance from each point to the plane. First we can convert the vector form of the plane into Cartesian form. So it will be easy. So we can convert the plane into Cartesian form. So given plane is write the Cartesian form. Just write here vector r is xi plus yj plus zk. So convert when we find the dot product, we get 3x plus 4y, 3 into x plus 4 into y minus 12 into z. So 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 13 equal to 0. So this is the given plane in Cartesian form. Now we want to find the, given that this point distance from 1, 1p to the plane and distance from this point to the plane are equal. So we can find the distance from each point to the plane. So distance from 1, 1p to the plane is equal to, what is the formula? To find the distance of a point, distance from a point to a plane, a x1 plus b y1 plus c z1 minus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So we have to substitute, this is the equation of the plane. So in the place of x, y, z, we have to substitute 1, 1p and we can apply the formula. So 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 into p plus 13. 13 is already in the left side. So plus 13 divided by root of a square, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 12 square, 144. This is the distance, modulus value, positive value. That is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 minus 12p. So 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 into p plus 13. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 13, 20. 20 minus 12p divided by root of 144 plus 25, 169, root 169, 30. So this is the distance from this point to the plane. Now we can find the distance from the second point, minus 3, 0, 1. Then distance from minus 3, 0, 1, that is equal to 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus 4 into 0, 0 minus 12 into 1 minus 12 minus 12 into 1 minus 12 plus 13 divided by same number, root of 9 plus 16 plus 144, same number we get, 30. Modulus value, that is equal to minus 8 by 13, 13 minus 12, 1, 1 minus 9 minus 8, minus 8 by 13, that is positive value, 8 by 30. Now we can equate these two and we can find the value, 8 by 13. So we can equate the value and we can solve for p, we can find p. So given that these two distances are equal, equidistant, this and this are equidistant from the plane. So we can find, we found both the distances and we can equate, both the distances are equal. So now we can equate and find the value of p. So we get this distance, that is modulus 20 minus 12p divided by 13 equal to 8 by 13. Because 13 is a positive number. Now instead of writing modulus, only numerator we can write the modulus. So 13 we can cancel from both sides. So we get modulus of 20 minus 12p equal to 8. So when the modulus of one value, we have to consider two cases, plus or minus. So if modulus x equal to 5, we have to write x equal to plus or minus 5. Like that, modulus of this equal to 8. So we have to consider two cases. 20 minus 12p equal to positive 8 or negative 8. This is the example. So 20 minus 12p equal to 8 or 20 minus 12p equal to negative 8. So here we get what? 20 minus 8, 12 equal to 12p. So p equal to 1. In this case what we get? 20 plus 8, 28 equal to 12p. So p equal to 28 by 12, that is 7 by 3. So p equal to 1 or 7 by 3. Now we have to find the second question. So that was the first question, find p. So we got p. Now second 16th one. O be the origin and P be 1, 2, minus 3. Find the equation of plane passing through P and perpendicular to OP. So we can draw a plane. Suppose this is the plane. And O is the origin, P be 1, 2, minus 3. Find the equation of plane passing through P. So that means P is a point in the plane. So passing through P means P is a point in the plane. So P 1, 2, minus 3. That is a point in the plane. And given that O is the origin and we have to find the equation of plane passing through P and perpendicular to OP. So this plane is perpendicular to OP. So we can draw perpendicular OP. OP is O is the origin and given that OP is perpendicular to the plane. So two things are given. The plane passes through the point P 1, 2, minus 3 and plane is perpendicular to OP. So using that we have to find the equation of the plane passing through P and perpendicular to OP. So this OP is a normal to the plane. So we can find the drs of normal. If you know 2 points on a line, we can find the drs of that line. So we can find drs of OP, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 is z2 minus z1. So first we can find the drs. Drs of OP, that is x2 minus x1 by 2, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0, minus 3 minus 0. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 is z2 minus z1. That is same thing, 1, 2, negative 3. So these are the drs of OP, drs of normal to the plane. And plane passes through point x1, y1, z1, given point on the plane, that is 1, 2, minus 3. So using given point x1, y1, z1 and drs ABC, we can write the equation of the plane. If you know drs of the normal to the plane and one point on the plane, we can write the equation of the plane. That is this is the formula. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Here x1, y1, z1 is a point on the plane and A, B, C are drs of normal to the plane. Here OP is a normal to the plane. OP is normal to the plane. So drs of OP 1, 2, minus 3, that is ABC. Point on the plane 1, 2, minus 3, that is x1, y1, z1. Substitute here. So A is 1. 1 into x minus x1, that is 1. Plus B is 2. 2 into y minus 2 plus c is minus 3 into z minus z1 minus 3, so minus 3, so plus 3 equal to 0. Now simplify. So x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3. Now that is x minus 1 plus 2y minus 4 minus 3z minus 9 equal to 0. That is x plus 2y minus 3z. That is x plus 2y minus 3z equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 40 minus 40, so equal to 40. So x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 40. That is the equation of the plane. X plus 2y minus 3z equal to 40. Okay.